Let me tell you how to become a millionaire using real estate. Hey, Jordan here, and real estate is the #1 way millionaires are made in this country, and it comes down to the top 5 ways that you can make money on real estate. #1, of course, is appreciation. Over time, prices go up. #2 is rental income, right? You can have rents that help you pay the mortgage, eventually give you an income. #3 is that tenant can then pay down your mortgage, right? So that your mortgage balance goes down, the price goes up, you're getting rent. #4 is that you are able to do a cost segregation. A cost segregation means that you can take the depreciation on an asset like a duplex, take the plumbing, the roof, all these things, and bring a lot of those costs down into year 1. There still are some over several years, right? But bring a big chunk of it to year 1 and then use it as a write-off on your taxes to bring more income into your pocket, right? And number 5, of course, is that you're able to borrow against it, right? When property go up, right, your mortgage goes down, you can borrow money and guess what? Buy more real estate, right? So by owning real estate, you're able to create wealth rather rapidly. And what's important when you are doing real estate, especially when you get into several properties, that you want the speed of your money to move quickly. And how are people able to make millions in real estate? Through leverage, right? You want to pick a consistent asset that consistently makes money and is safe, like real estate, and then pair it with good financing, right? A good loan that you're able to then pair with and have that leverage piece. The leverage is what makes your money move faster. So by having a 60 or 70% loan to the price of that property, the money you're making is only on the 20-30%. It's not on the full 100%. Let's say you took $1 million, right? And you bought a fourplex, and that property brought you in, I don't know, $60,000 a year, right? You're making 6% on your money. If you were able to take that money and buy 4 fourplexes, right, you might not make $60,000 a year. You might be lucky to make a couple thousand on each of those properties. But if the market goes up 10%, for example, you just made $500,000, right? If you had the one property at $1 million cashed in and it went up 10%, it'd only go up 100 grand. So you'd be losing $400,000 right there. Plus you have 4 mortgages going down, 4 properties you can borrow from. It's a fourplex, so you'd have 20 different tenants paying you mortgage. That's how you're able to make your money move faster and become very wealthy through real estate in a short fashion.